In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn the Enter is Send option on or off in WhatsApp Web. If you use WhatsApp Web on your computer, this is a very helpful setting to know about because it changes what happens when you press the Enter key while typing a message. For some people, pressing Enter to send a message feels faster and more convenient. For others, it's better to use Enter to create a new line, especially when writing longer messages. The good news is that WhatsApp Web lets you choose the behavior that works best for you. To get started, open WhatsApp Web in your desktop browser. Make sure you're logged into your account and that the chat list is visible on the left side of the screen. Once you're there, look just above the chat list for the menu icon with three dots. Click that icon to open the main menu. From the menu, select Settings. This will open your WhatsApp Web settings where you can adjust different preferences for how the app works in your browser. Inside Settings, click on Chats. This section includes options related to your messaging experience, including how messages are sent when you're typing. Now find the option called Enter is Send. This is the setting that controls what the Enter key does. If you want to send messages by simply pressing Enter, turn this option on. With the setting enabled, every time you press Enter while typing, your message will be sent immediately. This can save time if you mostly send short messages and want a quicker workflow. If you prefer to use Enter to create line breaks in your message, turn the option off instead. When it's off, pressing Enter will move your cursor to a new line, which is useful for writing more organized or detailed messages. In that case, you'll typically send the message using the Send button instead. After you change the setting, the update takes effect right away, so you can test it immediately in any chat. If the behavior isn't what you want, just go back to the same chat section and switch it again. That's all it takes to customize how Enter works in WhatsApp Web. It's a small setting, but it can make typing and sending messages much more comfortable depending on your personal style.